Asher's digging up some fiddler crabs. Yeah, go ahead and lift it up.
Oh! No, 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 no. Solid border. No, no. I got you.
Asher's got another one. Let's fill that bucket.
No, 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 no.
Grab him.
No, no, no. You went in this hole. You went in this hole right here.
There's one right there too, look.
Oh, no. No, shipping me. No, no. I got it.
Oh, you might have got down in the hole.
There by your foot, Asher.
Where? Where's
Got
the
it.
other one in there?
Let's see if we can find him. Right there.
Right where? Right here?
How many you got in the big bucket?
I don't know.
A lot.
And some are hiding in the sand.
Oh yeah.
A bunch.
So I wanted to hold close to you too. About to come out.
Yo, I
Couples,
think
one right by your
saw
shovel, under
two.
your shovel there. Down under your shovel.
Asher. There. Got him.
Where's the rest?
I don't know. Probably one of them holes.
That are digging holes.
Yeah, and then they're fighting over the holes, huh?
Oh, I'll make one a hole.
Got a few sea snails or sea slugs, whatever we call them, in these shells. There's a bunch of them out there.